Hi everybody, I'm coming to you with yet another collaboration that I'm trying out. This time it's Revolution, and it's their collaboration with Tammi. And just when I saw her launch, I think it's only launched last month, I looked after packaging attracted me. It's a face palette and eyeshadow palette. There is also lip palettes, but they were out of stock at the time when I purchased them. But yeah, I mean, when I show you the colours, they are just to die for. So when we look at these colours, I mean, just look at that range. Yeah, they are just to die for. Let's see if we do a bit of a close-up. Aren't they just simply gorgeous? The face palette, just look at those strong colours from the highlighters to the contours and blush. So these palettes are available from Superdrug or on the Revolution website. They're kind of drugstore pricing, so they're very, very affordable. But I just know they're palettes that I'm going to dip into, and with the kind of weather we're having at the moment, I just want to be all tropical. So we'll see you on the other side. So what do we think? Finished look? I think I found a new favourite palette. Both the eyeshadow palette that I showed and also the face palette are fabulous. Pigments are just amazing. Show you the colours again. They are just truly amazing. Hold on, I've got a very big mirror here, but I won't let it reflect. So if we do that. So there are the colours again. So you can see all of those. They are. I was really spoilt for choice on what colours to choose from, so that this is going to have a bit of a play and creating different looks, but hopefully, yeah, we like what we see. The face palette is brilliant for different types of contouring, and then the blush and the highlight, but I like very much. Another look using my Tammi palette. Today it's all the greens. It's all about the greens. Love, love, love this palette. Highly recommend.